Thank you very much. It was a very good presentation, and we start with the new fresh information about the red cap for the 5G. Thank you for the presentation, Alan. Today we are going to talk about the 5G program report. And again, you all welcome to the Barcelona. And I hope I'm going to tell about our program and give you some information what we did during the year. The presentation. Yes. My name is Mustafa KARAKOC. I'm from Turkcell. I'm also helping to manage the 5G technology and the program, product program with the GTI, with the very valuable group. And before the presentation, I would like to thank all the group, all my partners to give very huge effort for the 5G technology and the product program to develop some very valuable outputs. And now I'm going to present you all this information. Today my presentation is going to start with 6 different parts, but I will start with the 5G commercialization progress. As all you know that the 5G is growing fast from NSA to SA and from 4G to 5G, even we are talking about the 6G. The technology is growing faster than we expect. According to the latest report from the GSA, it is shared with December 2023. More than 528 operators are investigating for the 5G, and more than 300 operators are activating 5G for the commercialization, which is more than 50% as far as I understand, and which is the very key milestone for increasing the more than half of the operators are now actively shift their operation from the legacy technologies to the 5G technologies. Is it enough? No. Of course, to increase the efficiency of the technology and to give more satisfied output for the subscribers, 5G is going to be an efficient solution to use the utilization very effectively for the end users. And also from NSA to SA to have the outputs of the 5G technology not only for the eMBB perspective, but also low latency and the eMTC perspective. The NSA to SA is one other important milestone for the operators to transform themselves with the technology roadmap. With this evolution about the technology, as a GTI group, we also changed our structure from traditional way to the new transformational way, and we announced the GTI 3.0. And we also, as a program, we also changed our view from 5G eMBB program to 5G products and technology program. Then we also facilitate 5 different domains to focus on to give more efficient outputs. We start with the spectrum promotion issues, current spectrums, candidate spectrums, reassignment of the spectrums, and the transformation of the spectrums are the topics that we are considering about the spectrum promotion topic. And the technology evolution is one other topic that we are considering under this program. Is very important 5G deployment cases globally to share the information with all the operators, and the new technological solutions are considering about the technology evolution program. The integration across to the different domains are really important. One other issue to define the philosophy of the 5G, because the 5G is not only technology for the terminals, but also the technology is also supporting all other domains and the devices and the things that we can say that that's why the very important subtopic that we are considering. Product innovation is another subtopic that we are considering, which is also the cross-related with other programs, and we are considering about the different products, not only for the base station and the core access core or the transport issues, also the terminals and the other IoT devices are considering under this subtopic of the program. And number 5 is the test and the evolution case. We are considering about the test cases of the new devices, and how to integrate very effectively to the system is one of the topic that is focusing under the testing and evolution program. All these are considering with the different layers and the different subgroups to give very efficient outputs for the program and the followers for the 5G technology and the product program. Then during the 2023, we did a lot of achievements together with the GTI group, and I summarized them under the four subgroup. One of them is partner expansion. As Ms. Huang also mentioned about that, in 2023, GTI is focused to increase the footprint of the partner system, ecosystem, with the other operators, other manufacturers, other vendors as well. This is very important decision and motivation for 2023 for GTI. To conclude this partner expansion, we are focused on the more discussion and the more sharing with the ecosystem to share the information with them. We understand that the more voice from the ecosystem is the better for the technology to improve the output for the efficiency. 9 new members are started to negotiate with us to increase our technological roadmap, and during this discussion, as the technology is growing, we have 4 new discussion 5G topics: opportunities, network, technology, and the services are the discussion subtopics during that time, and we have more sharing 10 new partners, including NTT Docomo, CMS, GSMA, and the others are being a partner of the GTI group to make more attractive discussion. Then we also focus about to the technological evolution, network development, service innovation, and the technology evolution are the subtopics of this focus area, and we are considering about the technological roadmap is moving so fast, and to understand to the outputs and how to use this technological change with the efficient way is the focus of this group. The technological evolution is being together on the parties, discussing the different flavors, and to find the optimal way to reach to the target for the digital transformation. We did a lot of discussions, hotspots, and the edge technologies, and as I said, that 37 speech, which is really covering about the response on the requirement of the ecosystem to find the optimal solution for the technology. Then, different than the other associations or the institutes, the GTI is really focusing on the technological outputs and the technical documentation with the engineering level, which is also the strategically support our view. This is very important, and I really congratulate all the team for this mission. As I talk with all the partners and the operators, and the response about the technical quality of the documentation is really high, and I'm really proud of this. During that evaluation period in 2023, we also touched to the key points to respond to the requirement of the ecosystem, and we also deliver and share and announce different documentation and different outputs, and this will also touch as I said, the requirement of the systems to improve their solution for their roadmap. And also the fourth one, last but not least, the achievement exhibitions, as also Ms. Wang also explained that being together to discuss the technology is making the technological speed more than we expect, and we did 10 technology and product, 1 field tour, and 10 partners to evaluate this technology more efficiency. Then, with this huge achievements in 2023, of course the expectation is going to go high for the 2024. And with Ms. Shao together, we are really focusing on to increase this expectation with making more efficient outputs, and we are considering this 2024 plan under 3 subgroup. One is the group management. As always, talking during this event that we are going to increase our footprint with new, partners and the new, different companies and producers, manufacturers, operators, and vendors as well. And we are going to increase the technology exploration with expanding the new tech capabilities, because we started to talk with the 5G NSA, then transform the 5G SA, we add the AI, then this year we are frequently talking about the generative AI, then we are going to add one more technology as talk about the 6G, and all this definition and the transformation and the relation between the technologies is the key to understand the requirement. Then we are going to, keep all these issues under this subgroup. Then the industry influences, and we will also focus the issue new different cases being together to discuss the details. The workshop 39, wow, which is really very huge issue, another achievement for the GTI, because being 39 different workshops to be together is really needs extra motivation and the focus. The workshop 39 in Barcelona, we are going to talk about new spectrum, new capability, new application, and new product solutions. And not only with this, subtopics, we are also open to discuss some issues together to achieve some different, verticals. And finally, I would like to share with you today's and tomorrow's, schedule. And as I read, it is really very good presentations and very open discussion. I hope we are going to see. And thank you once again to being together, and enjoy during the workshop. Thank you.